Hey loves, how have you babies been? I have been doing good. I know I have not posted in 3 weeks. I'm so sorry. I hope you babes didn't miss me that much. But I wanted to come out with a haul. There's 2 more hauls I'm gonna do. The first one is a pink, really pretty pastel vintagey princess gown haul I'm doing. And I thought, I'd switch it up, with my hair a little bit. Usually it's always in pink curls or vintage style. And I just felt like a princess today, so why not treat myself like one? Oh, do you babes like my necklace? It's a Swarovski mixed necklace, and these earrings are vintage. I got these off of eBay like a year ago. And this one, I got this year. So yeah, I miss you babes. I hope that, you babes have some more ideas you want me to do. So yeah, this is my vintage haul. If you babes want to see this cute little vintage haul, gown princessy haul, please keep watching. Alright, first is very vintagey short. It's lingerie. It is mesh at the front on top, and it's just like a little nylon at the bottom. It's very short. This is something that you would wear at home, just lounging around. I think it's really pretty because it does have like this detail with the flower right here. Please excuse my nails. Usually they're done, but yeah, that's what it looks like. Also has some lace detail up here, and it has princess shoulders. I really love cute little gowns like this because they're just so comfy to wear. When I am home, all I wear is vintage gowns, so this is like the type of stuff I would wear at home all the time. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And it's very, very comfortable, and I really love it. Alright, this is this white gown that I got. I got this in a big giant haul off of eBay. This is all white, and if I come close, you guys may not see it as well, so that's why I'm kind of far back a little bit. But it has a lot of blue, baby blue detail on it, and I think it's really cute. It is giving me so much princess vibes right now. It's just, I'm loving it. It has like all these pretty details, and mind you, these lingeries is like 60 something years old. They're like super old. They're like probably they are from the 50s and 60s. So these are very, very old. When these was made, I wasn't even born. So it's just so cool to like, be able to wear things that's been worn before, it's been lived in, So yeah, this is what it looks like. I love detail on lingerie. It just shows that, people that made these, they took their time making it, because look at the detail on this. That took time to do. So yeah, this is what I like. And it is kind of long. It doesn't come all the way down, but I will show you, babes. See how it comes to here, and then it just has this nylon right here over it. So it is very it covers a lot, so, and it's super comfortable. So I would advise to get stuff like this if you love lingerie and you love like vintage lingerie and you like to lounge at home. I lounge in stuff like this all the time, so it's so pretty. Next is this really cute bed jacket. I love this jacket. It's like one of my favorite bed jackets I like to sleep in. It does have nice sleeves that look like this. It has a lot of lace detail to it. It has like a cute little bow in the front. And I really love sleeping in this, especially when I feel cold and I don't want to wear nothing too heavy, but something just nice enough to keep me warm and I'm not too hot. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I used to see my grandmother all the time wear bed jackets like these. I think they're just so cute. That's how it looks like in the back. And yeah, this is what it looks like. It's very, you know, it covers everything up. Especially when you know, I like to wear this, especially when I have like company over, or if it's my sons around me and I don't want to be too revealing. I will wear, you know, this over my gowns and stuff. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I think it's so pretty and just princessy. And so yeah, I love it. I really have a lot of bed jackets. I think I have too much, but bed jackets is like my thing. I love wearing these. So that's what it looks like. Hello, this is another bed jacket. Yeah, it's just a really light satin one with like the blue lace sleeves on it, and it has two bows in the front. I love this jacket, it's so comfortable. Like I told you guys before, I love bed jackets and stuff, so this is another one, and it's so cute. And I love white and blue together, especially powder blue. It's just such a complementary color. Sorry, I'm getting my words mixed up, but yeah. Alright, next babes is this gown. It's very see-through, so excuse all that. I got this off of eBay for only $5. I think this is so cute. It really does complement my skin tone really well. I love it. It is nylon and lace. It has all the lace details in the front with little blue flowers. I also feel it's super duper long. It comes way low, so it covers your knees, and it's just something nice to have when you don't want to wear a gown, but you also want to wear just something over yourself. This is something I would wear. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's really comfortable. I love it. Alright, next is this gown. This is like one of my favorite gowns. It has a beautiful lace detail in the front, and it's just very long. I will show you the bottom. It's very long, and it goes all the way down to like over my knees. Very comfortable. It's not restricting at all. It stretches a lot. Nylon and lace. It's very pale pink, so it probably looks white on the camera, but it is very pale pink, and this is one of my favorite ones.
Than a mile, I'm crossing you in style someday. Oh, dream maker, you heartbreaker, wherever you're going, I'm going your way. Two drifters off to see the world. There's such a lot of world to see. We're after the same
Alright, so this is the next one. It's very see-through. It has lace detail at the front. Did rip a tiny bit at the top, but overall it's very pretty. It has mesh and it goes in like a bow in the back. And it's just mesh. It is over the knee, so it's very comfortable. I love wearing it. It's one of my favorite ones. And it is a powder blue and white color. Alright, next is this really pretty bed jacket. Has some really cute little lace flowers detail on the front. And just like I tied in a little bow, it's just a little bed jacket with like poofy arms on the side. It is kind of short, it goes to here. Also, I'm wearing an actual pretty nightgown with a sweetheart top to it. And it has blue, yellow, and pink flowers right here, and it kind of goes with this bed jacket. That's why I paired it together. But yeah, it only goes over your knees. It's really pretty and comfortable, and I really advise you babes to get lingerie for yourself, because it is important to have something, you know, to make you feel beautiful each and every day. And honey, if it's not making you feel beautiful or amazing, get rid of it. Make sure you are feeling your best every day. And I really truly advise, you know, you dolls, and also some of you guys are single moms, or you're older and you just feel like you know, you don't want to be bothered with it, or you just feel like you don't have the time, or you feel like you're not beautiful enough. But each and every one of you babies are beautiful, and I really do truly advise you to invest yourself into lingerie and stuff you would love to wear and feel beautiful and sexy in it each and every day. So yeah babes, this is it. I have way more lingerie, way more gowns, but I may do a series part 1, 2, and 3. This is just the first video. I didn't want to make this video too long, but I also just wanted to tell you babes that I'm just so happy you guys are in my life, and I'm very happy that you babes decided to take your time and to subscribe to me. Even though I be gone for weeks at a time, or a week full, 2 or 3 weeks, you babes still open, you know, welcome me back with open arms. And if it wasn't for you babes, I wouldn't be doing this. So thank you so much for just continuing to ride with me, support me, and just like my videos, share them, and send your sweet messages. I read each and every one. They're so kind and sweet. And thank you for liking my videos. Please thumbs up if you like it. Let me know what else you babes want to see. I have 2 more hauls coming up. I have a Fashion Nova haul, and then I have a Boohoo haul. They're all vintage expired, don't worry. I just wanted to, you know, put a little variety, princessy vintage, you know, stuff in there, here and there. Once again, babes, thank you just for supporting me, and thank you. And let me know what else you babes want to see. And I love you babes. See you babies soon. Bye.